Sonny's down, up to the brick fence. Okay, we're at Fluffy's on this cold morning. Water dish has been dumped, rinsed, refilled, and 2 handfuls of dry food into the dry food dish. She just finished her chewable flea and tick treatment, and cat treats are down. Well, that's quick, huh? Your plate's down. Your breakfast is ready. Okay. Okay, we have our juvenile Cooper's hawk in the sycamore tree here at Alviso Adobe Park this morning. Bless his little heart, he's out looking for breakfast, which would mean the birds would be reluctant to be out in the open as he eats smaller birds. Just a short video. We have stuff to put down for the songbirds. Maybe he's up there. I'll do a longer one maybe later. If he's still there. And all the sparrows arriving for the bird food that just got put down. White crown sparrows, golden crown sparrows, song sparrow. From the back area of Alviso Adobe Park, looking at the sycamore tree, this is the juvenile Cooper's hawk. And he is kind of limiting the number of songbirds that feel safe in showing up right now. That's acceptable. A lot more in the back than we normally see because, well, they got bushes and things to hide under. And they're not as easy for him to see as out in the picnic area, which is more open. And he's over there. One final video before we leave the park of the Cooper's hawk. Okay, great white egret at Whispering Hills Ranches, Northern Corral. Hunker down. There's his neck. And just a different angle of the great white egret. Are you gonna fly? No? Okay. think he's getting ready to fly, maybe. That'd be cool. I guess he's not going to. Anyway, he's over there. Turned around because Jay spotted a red-tailed hawk on one of the redwood trees that is west of Poppy Lane condos, and it has its back to us. Probably one of the mated pair that will be nesting in one of these trees this spring. We're approaching that time, mating time. The next generation. Oops. Okay, over there. Okay, we're back at Fluffy's. Jay's gonna put treats down. Yeah. And she's gonna make short order of them. Crunch, 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 crunch. Okay, that's the last one. Sonny's down. Up to the brick fence post.